This is Riverfront Park, and we have winter storm watches in place across the inland northwest, where we're looking at the impacts of our next storm system that has the potential to pack as big of a punch as yesterday's did. Now, Monday's snow, most of it was off to the North Republic, 16 inches. Now, I know you're going, wait, we saw snow here in Spokane. Yeah, we did, but elsewhere we saw significantly more. Sandpoint, Colville, 7 inches. You went up to those mountaintops, up over a foot, 4 inches there in Newport. So quite a bit of snow did fall across the region, and we're still shoveling a bit of that here in town. But with temperatures hanging out in the mid-20s, well, we are seeing some freezing fog. That lingering moisture from yesterday has condensed in the low levels of the atmosphere, and along Interstate 90 and down 84, we're seeing reduced visibility down to about a quarter of a mile at times, and that's something we'll keep a close eye on because of its impacts, especially along the interstate. So if you're driving west, just be aware that it is reduced visibility up near Deer Park down to about 3/4 of a mile, and down to about 3 miles there in Airway Heights as well. So that's that impact of having that low atmospheric moisture and then just kind of putting a lid on the atmosphere. That kind of stays, everything calms down, temperatures drop. There, that's how you form it. 25 here in Spokane, 24 in Coeur d'Alene. Basically what's happened here is a little cloud cover has kept us warmer and kept that fog from forming, but where you lost some of that cloud cover, temperatures dropped, you're down in the teens, and then that caused everything to kind of condense. Up and over the mountains, still hanging on to some lingering snow showers today. Tomorrow we catch a bit of a break before major impacts move in tomorrow night into Thursday. And we're going to start to see some of those even a little bit later on tomorrow. All right. Today, it's a different mechanism. It's a couple of little waves of energy squeezing out the lingering moisture. So first we get one through the middle of the day. I think we see a little bit of snow. Our next one arrives after dark tonight, and that's after most of us are at home. And I do think we even get upwards of maybe an inch or two here in Spokane and in low elevation areas. Higher elevations, not much more. There's just not much moisture or energy associated with this thing. That actually arrives as we get into the day on Thursday. So Wednesday night into Thursday morning, major impacts from this. We're going to have what we call a snow show here on Up with Krem, where we send Nicole all over town and she makes little snowmen. Really, that's probably going to happen. 32 in Spokane, 31 in Coeur d'Alene, and we're looking at temperatures climbing into the 20s and low 30s as we move through the day today. But that late week storm packs a pretty big punch. High confidence of lots of snow Wednesday night and Thursday, and many locations in lower elevations could pick up upwards of a half a foot. So a lot of activity the next couple of days. And we really have all the ingredients for that to be a decent snowstorm. So today it's scattered snow showers. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Wednesday night into Thursday, snow moves in. Significant snow Thursday. That warms us up. So Friday, could be looking at rain.